All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So a lot of you guys have asked, and it's time to reveal to you where I got my Samsung Galaxy A51 from. And this is my source for getting all my future devices. So I ask that you join on with me. And I'm not trying to get you to stop buying on eBay, because this seller probably doesn't have as many phones as eBay, but they definitely have a lot. Wirelessplace.com is where I got my phone from, and this is where you need to start shopping. I also have a code in the description so you can get $10 off. So be sure, and that means that you can get this phone for $275 at the current time of this video. The A71 is now officially available, and I just placed my order. So I encourage you to head over to wirelessplace.com, and you will be able to grab your A71, your S10 Lite. They have them all over there. They're going to have the Note 10 Lite as well. Use this $10 code on the website. The code is J Williams. Currently, right now, at the recording of this video, the A71 is only $409, folks. $409. They also have the A51 for $284, folks. There's a ton of phones over there that you can get, and I think you should definitely go check them out. They don't just have Samsung. They have Xiaomi, Huawei, OnePlus, everything's over there. So this is where I just got my A71 from. So I encourage you to grab yours, and be sure to use the code J Williams. You will get a $10 off coupon right away. So let me say it again. This is my new source for buying devices, and I wanted to be sure to make sure the company was legit. So I've been actually talking directly with the manager. This is why I have a $10 code for you guys. So when you go to your checkout, before you check out, there's a spot for a promo code. Put the code in there and you will see $10 drop right off of the price of the device that you decide to buy. So I encourage you to share the website, share the code. The link's down below, and I've probably put it all over this video. So be sure to use J Williams code when you go to the site before you check out. There are a lot of things over there, and now you know my source that's outside of eBay. Because you guys know I had a bunch of bad runs on eBay, so, and I wanted to find a company that can actually give me a device that will work and no problems. And you guys know how long I've had my A51. Now it's legit. They now have the S10 Lite, like I said, and they have the A71, which my order is now placed. I will see you guys in another video. Hit that link in the description for all those that have been waiting. And the good part about this company is their pricing is a little bit lower. Like right now, they're selling the S10 Lite for $549, and the A71 is only $409, but you're going to get it for $399 with my code, and the A51 will be $275 for you. So why not head over there right now? It's your man Jay. Finally got something secure for you guys. You guys always ask me, where did you get that? Where did you get that? This is going to be my place of choice going forward. They are legit, folks. I checked them out, and I wouldn't steer you wrong. It's your man Jay. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. A71, I'll have footage on that. My order's placed, like I said. I'm getting 2-day shipping on that. So as soon as you see that unboxing, you know it's legit. It's your man Jay. I'm out.